today, and as the bathroom turns, check this out. There's no more joists. And we have, who are you? You don't look like Tactical.
I'm a short version.
You're the shorter Tactical? Okay, so there was rot, guys, and sometimes you have to admit a project has gotten bigger than you are. This wall needs new bracing. They're replacing joists. Tactical.
Yes.
Why are you walking out of the room? Okay. Tactical, what's your assessment of this situation?
It was worse than I thought it was going to be. I knew that these two joists had to come out. I thought that was going to be good over there, but I've spent since yesterday, and Kerry's been in here half the day, trying to jigsaw all of this out of here because there was rotten stuff and there's no sense in leaving it there. So
Are we to the put it back together point now?
we're actually about to put this guy in. That's the first piece to go back in, and then we're going to start jigsawing this whole wall back together again. So this will be the fun part, is trying to get 2x4s behind all of the pipes and everything that are over here. So once we get this in, that'll be the first piece, and then once this is done, the rest of it will go quick.
So you think we'll be done putting this back together by Friday?
We'll be done in like 2 hours.